How to fix Ethernet connection issues in Windows 11. If your Ethernet connection isn't working on Windows 11, don't worry, we'll walk you through some simple steps to fix it. Step 1. Disable and re-enable Ethernet. Click the search icon at the bottom of your screen. Type network connections and open it. Find Ethernet in the list. Right-click on Ethernet and select Disable. After it's disabled, right-click on it again and select Enable. If Ethernet was already disabled, just enable it now. Sometimes, this simple toggle can fix the problem. Step 2. Check your IP and DNS settings. Right-click on Ethernet and select Properties. Scroll down and click on Internet Protocol version 4 TCP/IPv4, then click Properties. Make sure both options are set to obtain an IP address automatically and obtain DNS server address automatically. Click OK and then close. Check if your Ethernet connection is working now. Step 3. Try using Google's DNS. If the previous step didn't help, go back to Ethernet Properties. Select Internet Protocol version 4 TCP/IPv4 again and click Properties. Choose Use the following DNS server addresses. Enter these DNS addresses. Preferred DNS server 8.8, 8.8, alternate DNS server 8.8, 4.4. Click OK and close. Test your connection again. Step 4. Network reset. If none of the above worked, click the Windows button and open Settings. Select Network and Internet from the left menu. Scroll down and click Advanced Network Settings. Scroll further down and find Network Reset under More Settings. Click Reset now. This will remove and reinstall all your network adapters. After the reset, restart your computer and check if the Ethernet connection is fixed. Step 5. Check your Ethernet cable. If the problem persists, your Ethernet cable might be faulty. Try replacing the cable with a new one and see if that solves the issue.